And guys, alis na kami ng Las Vegas, pero dadaan muna kami ng Target. Wow! Yan, ang sarap ng init. Hindi gaano mainit today. Ayan yung Target. Bibili kami ng lock. Bibili rin tayo ng water. We need to buy water. Hi guys! Paalis na kami ng Las Vegas. We are driving to Springdale, Utah. Punta kami ngayon doon and bye for now, Las Vegas. Oh, that is the hotel eh. Our hotel. Dumaan kami ulit dito sa aming yun ang aming hotel. Saan kami nagstay. Hindi gaano mainit today. Next week, bababa ang temperature dito. May enjoy ng mga tao yung pamamasyal sa street. Part of Nevada. Still a casino over there. It's already 1 hour. 1 hour and more from Las Vegas. Nice, SF. Welcome to Arizona na daw. Yeah, she said, welcome to Arizona. On start of the race. Nandito kami sa part ng Arizona. Ganda. 1 hour drive.